data in Google Sheet. Is your data looking like a jumbled puzzle? Sorting data in Google Sheet can instantly transform messy list into clear, organized table. Whether you're ranking sales, names, or datas, let's bring order to the chaos and make your spreadsheet work for you. Open the spreadsheet you want to make it sort the data. Open it. There you can, at the top right corner, you can see a three dot icon. Simply tap on it and go to data validation, or you can see, but firstly you need to select the row or the column where you want to add filter. Then tap on three dot icon. Over there you can see create a filter. If you tap on it, now you have created a filter. Simply tap on it, and then over there you can see alphabetically and blank. What you can do is simply tap on the filter. Over there you can see A to Z. Simply tap on it like this. You can see it was messed around. The alphabets were all ups and downs, and now you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, C. It's in constant. Like this you can sort data in Google Sheets.